Hello, my name is Dragos, and in this video I would like to present you how you can build your email list for free with WordPress and with the help of two plugins. MailPoet is the first plugin. It's a plugin that can help you gather the subscribers in list, set autoresponders, and send newsletters to your created list. With the free version you can have until 2000 subscribers, which is more than enough for a blog that is just starting. The second plugin is Opt-in Revolution. It's a pop-up plugin that you can set on your site to attract more subscribers to your list. First, we will need to install the plugins. I have here at its site, we go to plugins, add new. We search for the MailPoet plugin. It's here. We hit install. And activate. Okay, now the plugin is installed. We move to the second plugin, Opt-in Revolution. For the pop-up, we hit add new here. Again, we search for it. And we add it. We activate it. Okay, now both of the plugins that will help us build our email list are installed. In the left side we see here MailPoet, a new tab. We'll go to settings to see the configurations. Okay, here you have some configurations. Here is the email address of the administrator. Here is from where the email will actually be sent, and we can activate the subscribing commands to subscribe to the email list. Right now we have only one email list created, but if we have more we can choose from here. We'll let it like this for now. Okay, here are other options like the subscribe text. Okay, what we have here, forms. Here you can build forms with what exactly you want from your subscriber. For example, the name, only the email to be added when they sign up. We'll let it like this. Sign in confirmation. Here if you want the subscriber to confirm his email address, here you have the email that it's sent. You can modify it if you want. Send with, here it's the configuration when you want to send a newsletter to your subscribers, or in case a subscriber is registering to your list with these options. The email is sent. It's right now it's sent with the server via PHP mail, and you can set here the limit. Right now it's configured to send 70 emails every hour, but this can be changed. Okay, here in the advanced you have the roles and permissions and more options, like you to become a beta tester in their program and so on. Okay, the add-ons page. Here is just a list with what others developed to be integrated with this plugin. Okay. in the subscribers you'll have the subscribers, and here also you can send the newsletter with the plugin directly to the WordPress users. But for example, we can add a new list to be used for the new subscribers that will want to join your email list. Let's put here without the list the name. We can add the list. We will use it in the future because this will be the list where everyone will subscribe, the new subscribers. Here, as you can see, you have the information with how many subscribers you have in the list. These are just created. This is my first list. This is a test list, and these are the WordPress users who is on confirm, who is on subscribe. In the newsletter side, you can create newsletter to be sent to your list like this. Create new email. You can also create an autoresponder. Let's say, for example, that you want to create a autoresponder that every subscriber, after every subscriber it confirms his email address, they receive an email where they can download a book or stuff like that. If you want to do something like that, you just hit out automatic newsletter. When someone subscribes to the list, here you choose the pin of the list, let's say, immediately, and here you put the subject line, test, email, go to next step, and here you configure what exactly you want. For example, if you want to put a book, you modify this, and you add your book here, the download link and the text and everything, and then you save changes, and after every subscriber will register to your email list. They will receive this email with what to download and the information that you put it here. The interface is very easy to use. It's not complicated. You have a lot of options here. For example, you see that it is editor, like you would edit an WordPress post. Here you have more options to add. This is the standard theme. Here you can add images, so you can put in the newsletters. Have styles, and also you can add more themes that you find on the MailPoet site. There are more than 50 free themes there. Okay, right now we have created a list. The bit.z list. We created an autoresponder. We'll highlight the standard one. Next, we need to configure the Opt-in Revolution plugin to have the pop-up. So we should go to settings. Right now it's off. We need to put it to on so it can be activated. Here you have the options to when the pop-up to be displayed as always and once per browser session. I'll let it always for these test purposes. Can reset the cookies and so on. Okay, what do we have here next? we let it like this right now. We have here the opt-in pop-up one. So in the first side you have the pop-up and the possibility to edit and add exactly what you would like the visitor to see here. Okay, I will let this as it is. Now we need to go to link this pop-up with our email list. This plugin offers possibility to use it for multiple services. We need to use it for MailPoet now. It is this Wijia because this is how it was named in the past. This MailPoet plugin. So now it is activated. It is linked to our list. Okay. We save settings. So right now the pop-up is created. It is linked to the list. Let's go again to the settings and see if it is active. It is on here, and if you go now to outcome, we should have a pop-up. Let's see if I need to clear the cache. No, I don't need it. Okay, the pop-up is here. Let's try a test. I'll put an test email address. Let's see here. I'll hit access now. Okay. Let's see what happened. We go to MailPoet, subscribers. You see here that the test has been added to the list. Currently it is in unconfirmed state because you need to hit the confirmation link that supposedly it will be sent to this email address, but as I use the test email address, it wasn't sent. Okay, so like this it will be for everyone. Right now I've created only the pop-up, but I will want to activate the commands. Subscription options. We'll use subscribe commands. We use the bitnose list. We hit save. Okay, and right now if I go to the site, I go to my last post. Okay, we have here, yes, add me to the email list. So if a subscriber will hit this and post a comment, they will be automatically added to the email list and they will receive the confirmation email. This is not enough. Now I want to add also in this area an widget where to tell the visitors to subscribe to the list. With the plugin this can be done very easily. Go to appearance, widgets. We have here the primary sidebar and we have a MailPoet subscription widget created automatically when the plugin is installed. Here, in case you create forms with the plugin with more fields and everything, you can choose. Okay, let's create one for this test. because the default ones are not linked to our list. We go to settings in MailPoet. Have here the form. We'll create a new form. Okay, like this. In this form I only want the user to input the email address. I don't need the first name, last name or other information. And here is where you link it to the list. Let's put the name with the list form. Okay, it is linked to Bidoze list. We hit save. Okay, it was saved. Right now we go again in Appearance Widgets. Go to the sidebar, the widget is still here. Okay, we have the form here to subscribe to our newsletter. The tile, let it like this. We hit save. And right now we hit refresh here. Okay. And you have the subscribe widget on your sidebar. Now, is that if you want to create, for instance, join mailing list or newsletter subscription page, it's very simple. Just go to pages, add new, and you can put their page, for instance. You can put here the text that you want. Okay, put it like this, and you go here and you can add it directly like this. The form again, you select the form, hit insert, you hit publish, and you have the page created. Let's see it in preview mode. Okay, here you have subscribe, and that's it. The MailPoet plugin, it's a very good plugin. It's easy to use. Right now, let's say if you want to send a newsletter to your list. Okay, we leave this page. It's very simple. You just go to MailPoet newsletters, you create new email. You choose the list, your standard newsletter, the subject, for example, let's say my first test. Next. Here you have the interface where you can build your newsletter. You put here the text, everything, the offer, and you just Go to next step or send a preview. Here you have the subject line again, the list where you want to send the newsletter will be the sender, will be in the reply to me email. You can schedule it if you want. You can again send a preview and hit send, and the newsletter will start to be sent to your email list. It's that easy to create email lists and do email marketing now in WordPress. From my point of view, I recommend this plugin, and because it's free in comparison with services like Aweber, GetResponse, or other email sending lists. It's perfect for new blogs and bloggers that want to start their email list. This is the today tutorial. Thanks for listening to me and have a nice day.